Hey, how's it going, everyone? Finally, my React.js for Complete Beginner course is out right now. You can get it right now. Just follow the link down in the description below. There's also a coupon code associated to it, which is a lowest price possible coupon code. So for now, this is the price that is displayed on Udemy. This is going to change with time. It's going to be actually higher. But if you want to get the lowest price possible, then please check it out down in the description below. Again, this is a course for complete beginners. I am treating React like you have never seen it in your life ever before. We're actually starting from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and working ourselves into learning React gradually. It's also a small demo in the preview here where you will see how React actually looks. So if you don't want to learn React, you just want to check out React, how React behaves and how it looks and what it can do for you, then please check it out. There's a ton of content in here. There's a couple of slides, not too many. You know, I don't like slides, but they are necessary sometimes. And there are a bunch of projects. Now, complementary to this course is also my bestseller, if you already heard of it or not, my bestseller 30 React projects course where we are strictly working on React projects. So there's also a small crash course associated to it, but this is packed full with projects. There's also a coupon code for this course down in the description below, so enjoy it. Hey, I'm not going to keep you up too much from your time. Hope you will take part of this course. It will mean the world to me. So thank you very much for listening and watching, and see you in the course. Bye-bye.